Managing your infrastructure shouldn't be a constant struggle, but too often it is. And many IT teams today are overwhelmed by complexity and manual maintenance. Workloads scattered across different environments, public cloud costs starting to spiral, and a management layer that feels more like a collection of silos than a unified system. It's a lot of noise. It's a real problem, and there's a real solution. VMware Cloud Foundation is built to deliver public cloud scale with private cloud control. It streamlines operations by unifying fleet management, and it brings intelligent troubleshooting into day-to-day operations using AI and machine learning. We've put together a new guide, Private Cloud Operations for Dummies, to show how this all works in practice and to help teams get more operational value out of their private cloud. The goal is simple: eliminate the noise. Inside the guide, we look at how teams reduce TCO using real capacity planning instead of guesswork, and how centralizing the basics, licensing, passwords, and certificates, removes unnecessary operational drag. This operational simplicity isn't an accident, it's intentional. The platform is engineered to make the chores of the infrastructure layer fade into the background, giving you the flexibility to move workloads where they're needed, without the tax of a total redesign. And this isn't about reading an ebook, but this is about regaining control and modernizing infrastructure with confidence.